हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। आई होप लोडिंग रियली वेल। मुझे देख रहे तो बढ़िया हो गए, मजे में रहा करो। एक जिंदगी तुम्हारा भाई तुम्हारे साथ है। ओह, दिस लुक्स नाइस ऑन यू।
Thank you.
व्हिच योर फेवरेट कलर? रेड?
Huh? Yeah, I like red, pink, purple.
सो टेल गाइस, वेयर आर वी गोइंग नाउ?
We're going to have chai. Let's see. I heard there's a recommendation, so I'm following that.
या प्रशांत टोल्ड मी अ प्लेस इज मेकिंग हिज जूस, बट विल हैव
Chai.
Yeah.
I love chai.
बिकॉज़ वी आर नॉट
Chai
दैट।
बहुत पसंद है.
चाय बहुत पसंद है।
हाँ.
मैं पसंद हूँ। मैं पसंद हूँ। मैं पसंद हूँ। चाय बहुत पसंद है।
हाँ.
दैट मीन्स यू लाइक चाय।
हाँ.
मैं पसंद हूँ।
नहीं.
लेट्स सी हुज देयर।
This one is so heavy. क्या?
यही वाला था क्या?
क्या ये? वो ये क्या हो गया?
भट्टी डाली है।
किसने भट्टी डाली है?
वो बिल्ली ने कर रखी थी ना।
बिल्ली ने पोटी कर दिया।
हाँ।
Cat came and like shit her.
What?
So they have to like put the scent.
Oh my goodness.
टेढ़ा टेढ़ा क्या देख रहे हो?
Tanya, what? What's happening?
भाई बिल्ली ने पोटी कर दिया।
बिल्ली ने
हाँ,
कल भी कर रखी थी यार।
बिल्ली यहाँ क्यों आती है पोटी करने?
पता नहीं।
Come, let's go.
चलो.
Yeah. Don't step on potty. So yes, guys, we are at the chai place. Let's see.
Let's go. चलो.
चले?
चलो.
चलो भाई। भाई ये ऐसा लग रहा है हर बंदा घूर रहा है दिल्ली में, भगवान की कसम। आज इनकी गांड फाड़ू मैं अभी।
Do you think you can park like
Brr, come या।
park like this?
This is my way to park the car. It's Delhi. It's my area. भैया 2 चाय बनाना। टाइम लगेगा अभी? अच्छा। So this is chai, कुल्हड़ चाय। हाँ।
I like the cups, you know.
You like the?
These cups. What are they made from? The brown ones.
Yeah, कुल्हड़।
Yes,
हाँ।
they're nice.
आंटी ये बताओ कहाँ से है? ये कहाँ से लग रही है?
क्या?
कहाँ से लग रही है? कौन से देश से लग रही है? बताओ।
अब कहाँ से बताऊंगी है ना क्या लग रही है?
बताओ, गैस करो ना कहाँ से है? I'm telling them, guess where you from?
Yeah.
हाँ। वहाँ की है, हरियाणा की, सोनीपत।
सच?
सोनीपत की है, हाँ।
क्या? What are you saying? Please
Nothing.
translate. It's not fair.
No, they were like, where is she from? I'm like, she's from Sonipat, Haryana.
Where is that?
Very close by. So yeah, this is chai. First milk, then tea, then in cooler. Yeah.
I like chai so much. It's
That's
I
nice.
also have it in Germany. I bought it.
Wait.
Pack.
Yeah, what are you saying?
I'm saying I bought these packs, the chai packs, and made it in Germany also for my family. The
Actually?
chai, yes.
आंटी पहली बार चाय पी के देखेगी अभी वो। अंकल आप तो बताओ कहाँ से लग रही है? कंट्री बता दो एक बार।
भाई हम कहाँ से बताएं?
4 ऑप्शन देता हूँ, अमेरिका, जर्मनी, कोरिया या जापान।
अमेरिका के लोग।
Close.
तो भाई अदरक डाल दिया घोट के, बस। So after this we are having.
What are we having?
After this what are we having? I told
Dosa?
you. Yeah.
Yay! I love dosa. बहुत अच्छा.
Yeah. बहुत अच्छा.
Dosa बहुत अच्छा है.
She was like, how did you park your car? This is Delhi.
Ah.
In Delhi.
I'm scared in January. The traffic here is crazy for me. I can't drive, but it's so crazy to see how to
ऐसा
drive.
रोड पे लगा रखी है गति गाड़ी. System. You know, everybody likes is scared of me here.
Why?
I am a gangster.
I don't believe you. You can't be a gangster.
I don't look like one.
No.
बनाऊंगी अंडी. तो भाई चाय बस तैयार होने वाली है अब. ठीक है. दीदी पूछ रही है दीदी कहाँ से मिल गई. दीदी मिली मुझे मुंबई घूमते घूमते. हाँ समझ रहे हो. दीदी सुंदर है नहीं है?
मस्त है।
आंटी कह रही है मस्त है. She's saying you're pretty. She's saying you're pretty.
Really? हिंदी नहीं है.
Say धन्यवाद
But
to- say
also-
धन्यवाद to
हाँ
her.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
कह रही है बहुत धन्यवाद. तो भाई ये है.
This is Haryani or Hindi?
धन्यवाद is Hindi.
No, what you were just talking.
We were talking in Hindi only. She was like, where did you find her? She's so cute. I was like, I found her in Bombay. On the like marine near
On
Marine
the
Drive.
street. Hello.
इस तब हरियाणवी सिखानी है. जरूरी है सिखानी. गुड़गांव में तो रह ही ना पाओ वरना है ना. आंटी पूरे टाइम ऐसे देख रही है सर. Auntie is looking at you just like this.
Cute, no?
Huh?
So cute.
Yeah. Oh भाई. तो भाई
Did
God.
you open the door for me this time? No, you didn't. I caught
what are you saying? What are you saying?
You didn't open my door.
I did open your door.
Huh?
I did open your door.
You did from here, not from outside.
Oh. Guys, in a day only one time you have to do this.
Nah, it's a liar.
No.
You have to do it one more time.
One more time.
At least.
No,
Every time.
at least you should do this one time. Then you are a chivalrous guy. If you are doing this like the entire time, then
You should do it all the time.
yeah, you should do it all the time. Guys, sorry, my bad. So this is the Gurgaon most famous market, Sector 46 market. Okay,
I've never been here.
you never been here.
First time. Because I spend time here, but more in the end of Gurgaon and Delhi Airport. I was quite a lot of Delhi Airport.
So yeah, she used to stay in Gurgaon sector very far, like 76 or 86, which is like at the end of the Gurgaon. So this is her like first time in the posh area of Gurgaon, which I'm showing her around.
That was a lie.
Yeah, it's the posh area.
Huh, okay. I mean, my house was nice there, but it was just so far.
I can get it. This is the only place we can get the best chai in Gurgaon. I'm
Is
telling you.
it?
This auntie.
That's so cute. I have never been, and I'm so excited.
And she was so happy. Like she was like, "Oh, she's so cute. Are you guys married? You look so cute together." I was like, "No, we are bro. Bye bye."
Really?
Yeah.
She asked that. I had no idea what she was saying.
Yeah.
I don't speak so good Hindi. Somehow also you speak different from in Bombay. No.
Yeah, Bombay Hindi is like kinda easy.
Yeah, here I don't get it.
Here they use different words.
I don't get it.
Like some people say, "Kahan ja raha hai?"
I always had this problem that when the delivery would come at my house or the helper would come in, I had no idea what to say, or the security would call me and I'm like, Hindi ne, Hindi ne. At some point they realized there's a foreigner living, so
Like it's been like so much time you have been coming to India and visiting India. Is there any instance where you were like trying to communicate your stuff but other person couldn't get it?
yeah, many times. It's happening every day because you all have so many people. Chai. Yay.
Guys, our chai is here. धन्यवाद भैया. Yeah. So yeah, this is the tea. Hold it from the side when you get. Give me the mic. Give me the mic.
Maybe should let you? Okay. Chai.
Chai
I'm so excited. I love these cups. Oh, it's so cute.
We say them kullad. So guys, my chai is here and her chai is in her hand. So yeah.
I'm so excited. It's quite hot. I have to wait a bit, I think. Should I try? Are you waiting for me to try?
Yeah.
Isn't it super hot?
Try.
It's so hot.
So
But good.
but good, right? I
Yeah.
told him like you can take 20 rupees extra but make it super nice.
Really?
But he was like, no, I won't take 20 rupees extra for me because you guys are so pretty.
I don't believe you.
I'm telling you, in Delhi you get pretty privileges everywhere. If you're a girl and you're pretty, they can give you anything for free.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I don't know because they don't see guys like you on daily basis, like pretty girls. They always see like faces like bundi circle.
Like you. Faces like you.
Guys, bhai है ना मजाक उड़ा लेती है मेरा. Because she's my bro, I have given her permission to like mock me. Otherwise, I would have killed her. If somebody else.
No, but if you're a brother, so we can do that. Brothers
Yeah.
do that to each other.
We are bros. We can do anything. Yeah.
But what do you think? Yeah, na?
Huh?
Kya?
क्या? भाई साहब, सही है.
Drink your tea.
Like guys, I'll tell you, there are only very few person in my life I can vibe with. She's one of them because her humor is nice. Her humor is up to my level. That's why.
My humor is better, but you're trying.
Yeah, I'm trying. So out of 10, how would you rate it?
It's a bit hard right now to rate it completely, but for now, I would say it's definitely a 10. It's really a really nice chai. It's not too sweet.
Yeah.
It has the right milk amount somehow.
Yeah.
Professional chai rating. Mwah. 10 out of 10.
Okay. So yeah, guys. Whenever I see her happy now, I feel happy. I don't know why. Is this an eternal connection or what? I'm kidding, bro. Chill. So guys, I'm telling you, literally in Delhi, we were having tea and everyone was looking at her. So this is the thing. In Bombay, we were having food, we were vlogging, we were doing some stuff. Nobody gives a shit in Bombay. In Delhi, everybody gives a shit because they don't have any. They have some work, but they'll spare time for this. They'll be like, okay, I'll do my work later. First, let me see Greta.
Really?
Really?
I don't look around, you know.
So in Delhi, you should not look around because you'll
I never look around. I got used to not looking around.
because you'll be awkward if you look around.
Right.
When we were having chai, I was talking with that guy. Everybody was like, when they were having, they were looking at you. I would have killed them, but today I didn't go and work out, so that's why.
But let people, I mean, I understand that they're curious.
They're curious, but they should look at you and they should look down or somewhere else. But they
I mean,
keep
they
staring.
can,
They
yeah,
keep staring.
staring is a bit much, but Germans also stare, by the way. Did you know that?
Ah,
It's a cultural thing also.
in German.
We stare. But we stare like this.
Okay, it's not a like guy thing, right? Women and men both
Yeah, we
stare.
just sit and stare.
Here, like mostly
I-
guys stare at
Oh,
the
that's,
pretty woman.
that's really bad.
So that's really bad. That's what I'm saying.
It's different staring.
So yeah. So I'll tell you one time, like I was out with my girlfriend and we were having food. So there was a guy who was looking at her continuously for 10 minutes. Then I went there and told him,
That's definitely right to do.
yeah, I was like, I'll fuck you up, bro. Take your eyes off. At that time, I was little muscular, you know.
Now you're not, right?
Yeah, now I'm skinny pin. You know modeling, how modeling works. You have to stay skinny.
I'm trying. And this is like an exemption of sugar.
I told them don't add sugar that much. That's it.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's even that I try to not like avoid sugar.
Mm.
Guys, it's really good, by the way. It helps your skin.
Mm.
That's a big factor for a good skin. To not
But
have
your skin is
sugar.
glowing, literally.
I mean, right now it's a bit bad. I have to say the air makes it a bit worse.
Mm.
You need to I need to use different products here. I think then this is the problem when you travel a lot because every location has different circumstances.
Mm.
So actually, you need to find the ultimate product. But here the air I haven't figured out yet.
So mostly in skincare, is it your diet or the products you use? Be blunt with me. Like, how come your skin is so nice?
Mostly it's diet
Mm.
and I think then partially genes also.
Mm.
And I think
Chai.
it's it's also mental.
It's mental thing, right? When you
It's
when you
also
think you are
mental.
pretty from within, you become pretty from outside.
Glow comes also from your happiness and your peace, and it's a lot to do with your brain, your mental state of mind. So yeah, guys, focus on your mind and you will glow more as well. I mean, I really mean it. And yeah, for any
Yeah.
skin advice.
So yeah, guys. Now let me have the tea. Then we'll go have dosa. Then I'll take her for some shopping, guys, at a really fancy place, like which can beat Louis Vuitton, Versace, Hermes, like really fancy place. Zudio. So guys, I'll take her to Zudio. I wanna also buy some t-shirts. She's also buy some stuff. So I'm telling you, have you ever been to Zudio in your life?
And maybe once, long time ago.
So now we'll go to Zudio, guys. Let's see what new articles are there. Okay.
I don't remember the
Yeah.
store at Smash.
Okay.
I just went in once. Yeah.
So yeah.
Let's see.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
I'm
Ta-da-na.
almost done. It's so good.
Yeah. You want one more? You can take mine.
Nay,
Nay.
have it. You
Guys,
have it.
I can do
See,
anything.
I'm a good person.
You are a
I
good
let him
person.
have his own chai.
Right?
Right?
Literally, it is so nice.
And it's the right amount, like creamy.
Creamy, full cream milk,
Mm,
correct amount of sugar, correct amount of love. So yeah.
perfect.
Perfect.
So good. One of the
You can
best
take
I
one
had.
sip. You can take one sip from mine, if you want.
Okay.
See how good friend I am. Bhai bhai.
Mm. Garam.
गरम
हाँ.
भाई इसका गरम और हाँ कितना सही था देखा तुमने गरम और हाँ literally like how we Indians speak some words you use literally we can't distinguish you are foreigner.
The thing is, I think that's a big skill I've learned because I travel so much.
Yeah.
You learn how to
See,
become
हाँ.
like try to like get inside the culture because I do that in Chinese as well. My Thai, but I have to say my Hindi is the most closest to the accent. I speak some Thai also. I don't know if I said and Mandarin.
Mm.
But they have tones and they're really complicated, guys. Like they have 3 words or 4 words of the same. It's the same word, but it has the tone goes ma 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 or something like this. And I can't do even
So
all
Hindi
of
is
them.
easier than Thai language.
And Mandarin for sure.
Okay.
In terms of speaking, I never try to like read or write, so I don't think so.
Mandarin is a Chinese language, guys. Okay. If
It's
you're
the main, like one of the most used language in
In the-
China. In
yeah.
China, also it's the official language of Singapore and some other
in
countries.
Singapore also they
Mandarin.
speak Mandarin.
Mandarin is a Mandarin, English, then Malay, and one language from India also.
Hindi.
No, not Hindi.
Tamil.
Tamil.
Okay, guys. So see you at the dosa place. Masala dosa. Dosa.
I'm finished yours now.
It's all yours.
So good. And you know what I love? When you go sometimes when you're in a building and you just smell the shy smell coming out from houses.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh, I want. It's so good. And you don't have this kind of smell in Germany. It's just so great.
Next time I'll take her to my family home, and my family will make her food and like good stuff. Next time, because for this time she's like for a very short duration of time.
And someone have to cook your German dish also, but we have to find something.
You know how to cook.
Veg.
You know how to
Yeah,
cook.
I can bake. If you want to bake you some.
We'll get stuff from the Zepto Blinkit, then you can make the food.
But baking.
Hmm.
Do you have an oven?
No.
Well then.
Microwave we have. We also have oven, but it doesn't work. I guess.
So
So yeah, no worries.
I can't bake, but I'll figure something out.
So yeah, guys. Now she'll teach me how to cook a German food. What will you bake?
I would bake. I make cakes. I make really good cakes. I make cinnamon rolls.
Huh?
I make banana cake, carrot cake, then everything more healthy. I make keto pancakes also, really nice. I can do keto pancakes for you,
Tomorrow then. Tomorrow breakfast keto pancakes.
but it's egg.
Oh, egg I can eat. In deserts I can eat eggs.
It's
Right?
made and cooked, yeah.
Yeah. In deserts I can eat egg. Okay.
But we have to get the stuff. Okay, we'll figure.
Okay, guys, we'll figure out. We'll open a YouTube video, then we'll make it. Okay. You had all my chai. Sorry, Piggy,
Do
bhai.
you want? I just want
Can you
some-
please give me one sip here? Yeah. No. Just hold this. She's so kind.
बहुत अच्छा है
यार, बहुत अच्छा है ना भाई?
यार
बहुत अच्छा करके सारी चाय पीगी भाई.
See? बहुत अच्छा.
You can take this back to your country.
They will break till then.
You'll back to the...
I tried many times.
Really?
Because they're super easy to break.
Hmm.
Even at home, you use them 2-3 times, they break. They're not made for using them too often.
Yeah, let me throw them then.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो.
So yeah, this is masala dosa, you know.
Okay, let's go. I haven't had one for long.
In your life you had it.
Of course. नहीं चाहिए. Yeah, many times. Mostly on sets, you know, they always have dosa.
Yeah. In South India, Chennai and stuff, when you're shooting in Chennai, right?
Also in Bombay, actually, a lot. So they always have a nice buffet on the, you know, Indian food buffet on set.
So, guess what's this? What are they placing?
It's the bread,
That's not the bread.
but it's a dosa.
It's a flour. It's a flour or something.
Yes, but it's like a bread.
It's rice flour, you know.
But it's like a bread.
Yeah. नहीं चाहिए भाई.
रोटी लेना
अरे नहीं चाहिए मेरे भाई.
एक बलून ले रहा
नहीं चाहिए मेरे भाई.
ले रहा है
तो भाई ये अभी डोसा बनाना बन रहा है. In winters, when you're standing in front of the तवा, भैया कम तेल लगाना, बिल्कुल कम, बहुत लेस. बहुत तेल मत लगाओ. तो भाई डोसा बन रहा है. ठीक है. खाते हैं. What happened?
Nothing.
Why are you laughing?
Ooh, look.
Huh?
This is aloo, right?
This is aloo.
Aloo.
ठीक है. This is one of the most famous.
So
places.
excited.
Huh?
I'm so excited. Yes. I love street food also.
But you can get Delhi while you're in Delhi.
Let's hope not. I have work. My life depends on my belly. So please, Delhi, don't hurt me.
तो भाई ओहो मजा आ गया देखो. अब ये करते भैया तेल तो ज्यादा नहीं डाला ना. भाई नहीं लेना यार मेरे भाई. देख अब तू खड़ा रहेगा ले लेंगे हम. तेरे पास कैमरा नहीं कर रहा बट खड़ा रहेगा ले ले. ये बोल दे बस एक बार. ये बोल दे.
लाइक फॉलो
हाँ,
सब्सक्राइब
बस,
कर
अब
दे
ले नहीं रहे भाई बस. तो भाई डोसा बन गया कैडा. भैया शाम को किस टाइम आते हो यार?
ये शाम को 4 बजे आना
4 बजे. दिस गाय अर्न्स लाइक 5 लाख रुपीस अ मंथ just by selling dosa.
Wow, I should change my profession. No, I think it's quite hard.
Quite hard. भैया मसाला कम रखना थोड़ा वरना डेली वैली हो जाएगा.
It must be a lot of work
right?
and many hours. How many hours does he work your
He
day?
comes like 8 in the morning till 12 in the afternoon, then 6 से भैया रात को किस टाइम तक होते हो? 11:30 11:30 in the night. So yeah, he works so hard.
I mean, then obviously that's
But
a really
5
hard
lakh
job.
rupees.
I mean, it's good for him, but it's a lot of work also. So respect, yeah. And now the weather is okay, but imagine you do this in like super hot temperatures or like standing outside all day. I couldn't. So I'm really glad I can work inside. Yeah.
So guys, be grateful whatever you're doing in your life.
Not always. I have also outside shoots. Sometimes it gets really hot, but not every day. So I'm lucky.
So yeah guys,
Blessed.
थाली आ गई है,
Ooh.
पेल देंगे आप. This is sambar, this is chutney, this is red chutney. This is
gonna
Greta, this is me. भैया क्या
Deepa.
नाम है? भैया क्या नाम है?
गणेश
भैया गणेश.
Ganesh.
गणेश भैया.
Ganesh.
ओहो, मजा आ जाएगा भाई. तो भैया महीने का हिसाब किताब बांध लेंगे, ठीक है? महीने का हिसाब किताब बांध लेंगे, रोज डिनर यहीं.
बहुत अच्छा है.
तो गाइज always
So excited.
always let the lady try the first bite. So she'll try
Wow, now your new lessons, yeah.
the first bite and let's see.
Okay, where do I dip first?
Dip in sambar or chutney.
It's hot. Ah, I can't.
Like dosa is more hot or you are more?
Oh, dosa. Look how it's like you see.
Yeah.
Oh.
Out of 10. Fast.
10.
भाई स्ट्रीट फूड का टक्कर है क्या हमारे? घंटा कोई टक्कर नहीं है भाई.
You can get me with street food. I'm telling you.
Yeah. I'll find you a husband who makes dosa.
But he also has to make everything else. Can he make rasmalai also?
Oh, भाई we'll order Amul rasmalai today. Sugar free one which we had in Bombay. भाई है ना बॉम्बे में था जब मैं, एक शुगर फ्री रसमलाई लेके आई अमूल की. खत्म हो जाओगे, खा लेना, एक बार ब्लिंकिट कर लेना, तुम्हारे घर के पास आती हो, मजा आ जाएगा.
It's so
हाँ
good.
भैया क्या कह रहे हो?
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं.
ठीक है. चलो. What?
You have to have that part also.
I have all of it.
Yeah.
No, this part. No, it's yours.
It's mine.
I already
Because
had
you
to
had
try.
my chai, so that was I was thinking you'll also have this. हाँ?
Okay.
भाई चाय ना छोटी कभी भी.
This time I share.
This time you share. But भाई तुम्हारी कसम गाइस
I feel
बहुत
bad
तगड़ा
for
है,
you.
बहुत तगड़ा है, बहुत तगड़ा. Guys, see you after eating dosa.
It's so good. I can't.
Final
speak
reviews,
right now.
final reviews, final reviews.
Finally, I keep my mouth shut because I'm eating something.
Okay guys.
Really good. I love it.
भैया एक नंबर बना दिया. कितने सालों से बना रहे हो यहाँ तो? 2 महीने बस. 2 महीने में इतना बढ़िया. भाई साहब. It's been just 2 months they are making it, but it's so nice.
Okay. You tell the people the area so they can come here.
तो भाई ये सेक्टर 56 में आ जाना, तुम्हें तो पता ही होगा. कम यार. और भाई क्या हाल है?
ठीक ठाक है
कितनी सेटिंग है?
कुछ नहीं है